Hello everyone, my name is Pranav and I am a legal intern in LEXIS and Company. So in today's video I am going to give a brief overview of a landmark judgment. The name of the case is Indore Development Authority versus Manharlal and others etc. And it is a 2020 case and the citation for the same is 3 SCR 1. So now talking about the sections referred in the case, section 4, section 5A, section 9 and section 23 of Land Acquisition Act of 1894 are involved and referred in this case, and these sections which govern the process of land acquisition and compensations. So now talking about the case involves a dispute between the Indore Development Authority and landowners regarding the acquisition of land for the development project. In this case, the Supreme Court examined the validity of the land acquisition proceedings and the adequacy of compensation awarded to the landowners. The court held that the acquisition of land by the authority was valid as it was done for public purpose. It emphasized the land acquisition authorities must follow the proper procedures, including providing notice and hearing to affected landowners. The judgment clarified that landowners are entitled to revive and receive just and fair compensation equivalent to the market value of the land at the time of acquisition. In this case, the court ruled that the determination of compensation should consider various factors such as the nature of the land, its potential for developments, and the prevailing market rates. In this case, it was held that the compensation should also include solatium, which is the additional amount, and interest for the delay in payment. The judgment emphasized the need to strike a balance between interests of landowners and the requirements of plan documents and developments. The court recognized the importance of safeguarding the rights of landowners and ensuring that they are adequately compensated for the deprivation of the land. So now I am going to wind up this case, and this is what the overview was. And if you guys have any doubt, you can just ping in the comment section and I will get back to you as soon as possible to clear all the queries. Thank you so much and have a nice day.